So this review just covers kind of the main ideas of the exam. I have posted a document for you to review that has the specific concepts listed for each chapter. So as you're studying for the exam, just be sure that you go back and look at those concepts that are going to be covered. So this exam is available during week 16, which is final exam week, and it will be available for you to take Monday to Wednesday. So that's a little bit different than the midterm. It will open up at 8 a.m. on Monday the 6th and then close at 11:59. So just like the midterm, you have 90 minutes to take it, but at midnight on the 8th, or technically on the 9th, it will close. So make sure that you have given yourself plenty of time to start the exam before that close time, because it will end whether you're done or not. So the exam is a combination of multiple choice. There's 30 multiple choice questions, which are worth 4 points each for a total of 120 points. And then for short answer, you have 3 questions, which are worth 10 points each for a total of 30 points. And so when you are reviewing those concepts, just make sure that you have an understanding of the definitions and examples. You can go back and watch the videos from chapter 6 through 10 that I recorded, and I provide examples there. In addition to the videos that your peers posted, be sure to go back and watch those if needed. And don't forget about the tables and charts that are posted in the textbook. She gives lots of examples within those in addition to the text. So this exam is not cumulative. You don't need to know information from the first 5 chapters, but chapters 8 through 10 do bring in information from previous chapters. So you don't need to go back and review chapters 1 to 5, but just focus on these last 4 chapters that we have been covering. So any questions you have, let me know, and just be sure to review that document that is posted for the concepts to review.